Okay, hello, welcome to WinFX Trading YouTube channel. If this is your first time of meeting my channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell notification, make sure you comment, like and share so that YouTube pushes to a very high level of audience. You see it for yourself, this Xmax and 2022 and beyond. You see this is for you. If you really want to invest legitimately, not invest with all those people that promise you that and that within 24 hours, within 48 hours, those things doesn't work. This trade lasts for 4 days, more than 48 hours, and we actually compound your investment with crypto exchanger. So don't be afraid. Like, how possible it is possible. We trade the major asset, we trade the major crypto, we trade the major forex, we trade the major stocks, and all these yield huge profit because the investment is crowd investment. So once you put your money, you will get your profit. Not really investing, a lot of people are investing. Okay, so our signal, we also provide signal service. You can see here, I want to show you something. Okay, do you see any red here? Check, this is red. Okay, do you see any red at all? Do you see any red? This is within just 30 minutes. The signals are very profit sensitive, and they're very smart to be in green. Okay, you see this US, this is a NASDAQ. You see it. This is JPY, Great British Pounds, sterling against the Japanese yen, USD card, United States dollars against card, US against gold, or gold against USD, that's SAUSD. Okay, you see that this is just small account. This is a $10,000 account. That's why I use smaller sizes. Okay, it happens. 0.5 give you over 300 for 0.5, selling 0.5 for gold give you around close to $400. What if I sold 10 lot size? Now 10 lot size, if you compare 10 and 0.5, you can see that 10 is actually 20 times 0.5. That means it's going to be 20 times 400, which is $8,000. Then if you open something like 10 position, that would be $80,000. Are you getting it? That is how the money is made. So if you are interested today, I'm just whispering to you, please. This is real. The exchanger is not actually the exchanger is not actually only forex, because the trading is diversified, and then some cryptos are involved, like the BTC now or Ethereum. Like, we compound, use high loss side, we use high loss side to compound and stage, doing optimal signals. So your payment method should be BTC or USDT. Okay, if you don't have it, make sure you get an account and buy BTC. Start changing your life. If you are a poor person, you can consider subscribing for the signal services. I will show you later in this video. But if you're an average person, you can invest $3,000 or $6,000 or $9,000. But then if you're a big man that want to make huge profit again, I want to grow your wealth, you can consider investing these big packages, and you see how we will serve you in the next 4 days. Don't be afraid. I guarantee you that you will be refunded if anything goes wrong. You'll be refunded. Nothing will go wrong. I'm expert in this game. Okay, so let me show you the signal service program. Telegram channel here. The services we provide, it is called WFX VIP Millionaire Plus Profitable 100% clips. Okay, so the number one VIP WFX Profitable Signal channel is, before I continue, I want to tell you something. If you buy a signal from a company, from a Telegram channel, or from a website, and the signal always let me tell you something. All that glitters is not good. It is very hard to get legit. I'm legit. I don't lie. I don't lie. Or if I tell you something, this is what I do. I do it for people. I'm an electrical engineer, but because of the condition that is surrounding me, that like I can't do perfectly well in electrical field, but I'm good in mathematics and predicting future. I'm good in predicting the randomness of the world. So I know what future hold. Ability to predict future is what made me to become a signal provider. So join me today and change your life. So pay for the legit and get it right. Okay, it's not paying and you lose. You pay again and you go Mr. A, you lose. You go Mr. B, you lose. Why not join me? I use trading psychology to get my signal. My signal, even though it's based on technical analysis, it's based on price actions, demand and supply, and all of that, but it's still 100% based on psychology. You will have all those strategies, yet you will still lose. I use psychology. I lead the market. I know the signal before it happens. Even the brokers don't know it, but I know it. The brokers just program their site. They can't even understand. They can't predict the market, but I can predict it. You get? That's why my VIP signals channel is very costly to join, but if you join, you get what you want. So margin trading, 100% profitable signal for synthetic forex stock crypto markets. The renewable monthly fee is $100. Renewable annual fee is $840, 30% discount. Lifetime is a $1,000. Then if you are actually interested to make huge profit in trading boom and crash, that is what I call BCs, $100 made to $1,000 plus, upgradable to $10,000 plus group. Okay, this, I have categories, my channels, my groups, my VIP signal service group. Actually, that is a package for poor people, average people, and rich people. Like if you are not rich enough to pay for this renewable VIP signal services in the number 1 session, you can consider joining the number 2, where you actually need only $100 to start trading. Okay, but for this number 1 option, which is synthetic forex stock and crypto, you actually need $150 to start trading the signal. You can't trade below that. 150 and above, you'll be provided with all the annotations, all the information you need on the signal. You'll be educated on the lot sizes and all of that. It does not mean you cannot start with more than $150. You can start with more than that. Okay, depending on your pocket. So here, this one is very, very affordable to a layman. All you need is one-time membership fee of $100, but you must agree to the terms and conditions, which is you must pay me 50% commission after every $1,000 plus or $10,000 plus made. That is at the maturity of hitting this target of $1,000 plus profit or $10,000 plus profit. Okay, then the number 3 signal service action is VIP top group, $1 made to $400 or $3,000 per day. We have one-time membership fee as $100 and 50% commission at maturity 9/12 period of rollover. Now don't be greedy. Don't say, why should I collect 50% commission? No, it is someone that doesn't have wisdom that says that. Let me tell you something. You pay one-time membership fee of $100. Remember that provide signal synthesis involve energy, involve time, involve concentration and focus. So the one-time membership, the one-time fee you pay will just expire after some time. But because you pay commission, renewable commission at the end of each period, that's what makes the business live and keep on going. So you have to take action. Okay, So don't be greedy. Don't say, why should I say 50% commission? I can't collect one-time membership fee and like that. No, it will not take time. I will give up in the business. That's why the commission make it lively. Are you getting it? Run away from scammers, pay for the legit, and get what you want. I have no other business other than to be looking on chart and doing analysis, watching some economic news, listening and taking action and taking record and trying to finalize and bring the best trading decision. Why not enroll with me? Okay, enroll with me and change your life. It's very simple. Okay, it's not hard. If you cannot pay for this number one, why not pay number two, or why not pay number three? But this number one, if you can make up your mind, you see, any money you pay in this number one, if just the first signal, like this number one, this WFX, which is actually forex signals on stock, on synthetic, on crypto. If I send this signal, that are for margin trading, that is, it has to do with lot sizes. If I send you one signal, the first day signal, the money you paid, you will recover it. So why are you afraid? If you pay 840 for a year, you will use my signal throughout the year, you will recover it on the first day, because I'm going to send a signal. Maybe if your equity is not much, then it might take 3 days to recover it. Yeah, I can't lie to you. It depends on equity. Okay, but the minimum equity to trade this number one is $150. The minimum equity to trade number two is $100, and the minimum equity to trade number three is $1. Why not change your life? Take action today and be rich. There is a lot of opportunity in the financial industry, but you need the right mentor, you need the right signal, you need the successful persons for you to succeed. I'm doing some videos on cryptos. You can't even invest in those cryptos I talk about in the video unless you have enough capital and the right knowledge. That's why I'm offering a number of courses in the financial market. I offer a lot of courses. Let me show you some of these courses so that you start taking action. You start changing your knowledge is power. Okay, are you getting it now? See, these are the courses I offer. You can see. Okay, number one. Let me number it so that you understand the courses I offer. Okay, are you seeing this? These are the courses I offer. Forex MT5 trading course. Okay, each of the course have course content of which, when you are interested, you will have to ask me, okay, Daniel, please, can I have the course content? I will send the course content to you. By profession, I was destined to be a lecturer, but I don't want to lecture in the classroom. I want to lecture in the financial industry, because it took me almost 5 to 7 years now in the system to understand the politics in buying and selling of securities, financial security, financial instruments, digital security, both digital and fiat. Okay, both cryptos and fiat. So you have to take this opportunity. Number one, Forex MT5 trading course, $250. Okay, it's not you pay someone $100 or $50 at the end you fail. Learn from the person that have the spirit that can kill that spirit of failure in you by imparting the right knowledge with the right practicals, with the right life training, with the right actions. Okay. 2. Synthetic MT5 margin trading. Okay, synthetic MT5 margin trading. The course is $200. You will learn everything about synthetic markets in the financial industry, and you learn how to trade it. Then number 3, synthetic binary option rollover trading course. $1 made to $400 plus after night trade rollover per day. The course is $150. You will learn how to trade binary option on rise and fall. It is called rise and fall because that is, let me put it so you understand. You see, number 3, synthetic D trader rollover program binary option rise fall. That is drop buying off course $1 made. In that course, you learn how to turn $1 to $400 plus after night trade. after 9 trades roll over per day, $150. That is, if you want to learn the course, it will cost you $150. Now we have like all those numbers and brackets means the cost of getting the course. Okay, that's what I mean. At the end of the cost statement, the money, the number, the price in the bracket shows the cost. Now we have number 4, Boom Cash Indices Millionaire course. It will only cost $250 to learn it. You know, they have added extra 2 Boom and Crash indices, and that has increased the computation. And what it means is that is high risk now. That is high risk. You can easily blow your account 100 times plus. But if the same you that blowing your account, there is another person that can profit more than 100 times. Why? He has the right knowledge. So you have to enroll for Boom and Crash Indices Millionaire course if you really want to focus on Boom and Crash and make huge profit. Now, number 5. Volatility 75 Indices Millionaire course. Let me tell you something. V75 has politics. It has hidden facts about her trading. If you don't know those trading, no matter how you trade V75, you will lose. You will cry. You will go and kill yourself, because what you don't know, you don't know. If you don't have a key to open a particular door, even if you kill yourself, even if you kill your whole village, even if you kill your whole family, even if you leave your country to go and get powers, no power will, unless you get the actual key, unless you break the building or you spoil that door, there is no way. You need to take action, which is get the right knowledge. Okay. Number 8, number 6, Jump Indices Millionaire course, $100. You can never succeed in trading jump indices until you know the secret. I have all this in my spirit, in my mind, and all these courses, I have them right in the playlist archive on YouTube. All you need to do when you make a payment, because they are private, I'm going to send you the private link. You will access and watch them and start printing money like banks. Okay, so we have Binance, crypto, BTC is like etc. like BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all of that. Anything that has to do with cryptocurrencies. So Binance crypto trading course, that's $300. That Binance there means the exchanger you are going to be used to trade the cryptocurrencies. Okay. Course duration is always 1 month. Like once you start a course, you'll be visiting my private YouTube playlist to watch the course, and then you have right to ask me a question. Once you make your payment and it is confirmed, you have right to ask me a question within 1 month about that course. Okay, that's what it means. Frequency, at least 1 video course per day. Once I give you the link, it depends on you. When you have time, you can watch the video anytime you wish, but make sure you watch at least 1 video per day, so that you will learn fast and your brain will be able to understand. So course venue, the link, the venue is always Telegram, because it is on Telegram that you connect with me, and I will send you the private YouTube link to watch the videos. Okay, course method is videos, PDF, and live trading. Most of the times in the course of the in the process of the course, I will engage you on the live trading on the YouTube. You will see me live on YouTube trading on a real account based on what you have learned, and you see it work for real. That's why you pay for it. You pay for something that works and not failure and not loss. Okay, so you have right to ask questions after each course. So this is real, this is legit. Start changing your life. A lot of people are doing well. Many people from Kenya, some people from Egypt, some people from Mexico, some countries that are not even related to Nigeria, that are doing well using my courses. I don't know why some of Nigerian people are not actually ready to have knowledge, but that is by the way. It doesn't affect my business, because if other people outside Nigeria are making it using my course, Nigerian people should do that. Okay, because I already get some clients in Nigeria that actually buy these courses, because maybe they still want to do it themselves, and every day they are complaining that they have blown their account. They complain that the RIF is a scammer, like the RIF, they manipulate markets. Who tell you? Even manipulated market, I like manipulated markets. Why? If you are manipulating markets, I myself, I'm following you in the behind. I'm trying to understand how you manipulate the market. Then I will use it against you, and that is what is giving me success. If they manipulate market, I just check them, say, thank you. I will now study them gradually. Before you know it, I print money, and they will not understand how it happened. The only thing they will do is that they will just allow me to keep printing the money because I know what they know. So that is it. Thank you and remain successful. Thank you and take action. Your life will change. Bye for now.